Hello guys, I hope you are having fun today. So today you are going to know the top 5 programming languages in 2023. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I taught about 10 data structure concepts that a Java developer should know? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing the channel. Watch this video till end because I am going to give a bonus in this video, so don't skip and watch till end so you don't miss the bonus. Let's start today's videos. As technology continues to advance, the demand for skilled programmers only grows. In order to stay relevant and competitive in the job market, it's important to stay up to date on the top programming languages. Here are the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. Java is a programming language that has been around since 1995 and has consistently remained popular among developers. It is used in a wide variety of industries including web development, mobile development and big data analysis. One of the reasons Java is so popular is because of its simplicity. It is known for being easy to learn and use even for those who are new to programming. It also has a large community of developers and a wealth of resources available, making it easy for developers to find help and support when needed. In addition to its simplicity, Java is also known for its portability. It can run on any device that has a Java virtual machine, making it easy to develop and deploy applications on different platforms. This is especially useful for companies that want to develop applications that can be used on a variety of devices. Java is also highly scalable, meaning it can handle large amounts of data and handle high levels of traffic without slowing down. This makes it a go-to choice for companies that need to process and analyze large amounts of data or handle high levels of traffic on their websites and applications. Overall, Java is a programming language that is used in a wide variety of industries due to its simplicity, portability, and scalability. If you are interested in learning programming, Java is definitely worth considering as it can open up a wide variety of range of career opportunities for you. Python is a programming language that has been growing in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for those who are new to programming or want to quickly prototype an idea. One of the main industries where Python is used is data science. It has a wide variety of powerful libraries and tools that make it easy to process and analyze large amounts of data. It is also used extensively in machine learning, so as it has libraries that it can be used to train and test machine learning models. Python is also commonly used in web development. It has a wide variety of frameworks such as Django and Flask that make it easy to build and deploy web applications. It is also used for back-end development as it can handle tasks such as connecting to databases and interacting with APIs. Python's popularity is only expected to continue growing in the coming years. It is a versatile programming language that can be used in a variety of industries and applications, making it a great choice for anyone interested in learning programming. If you are considering learning a programming language, Python is definitely worth considering. So guys, comment now on this video and ask any question about this. JavaScript is a programming language that is essential for front-end web development. It is used to create interactive websites and applications and is often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS. One of the main benefits of JavaScript is that it is a client-side language, meaning that it is executed on the user's computer rather than the server. This allows for faster and more responsive web applications as the server does not need to constantly communicate with the client to update the page. JavaScript is also a versatile language that can be used in a variety of ways. It can be used to create simple animations, to validate form data, to create interactive maps and charts, and much more. It is a valuable skill for any web developer to have in their toolkit. In addition to being used for front-end web development, JavaScript is also used for server-side development with the use of Node.js. It is a popular choice for building web servers, creating APIs, and handling real-time data streams. Overall, JavaScript is a popular language that is essential for front-end development and has many other uses as well. If you're interested in web development, learning JavaScript is definitely worth considering. If you got any questions, comment now on this video. So guys, it's the time I'm revealing the bonus here, and that is Amazon Web Services 0 to Hero. This course is for every type of person, from beginners to experts. In this course, you will learn about AWS EC2 Web Server, Node.js, AWS RDS Database Server, SES, CloudWatch, and do you know what? This is totally free to learn, so grab it now. Link is in the description. Go is a popular language created by Google in 2009. It was designed to be a simple, efficient, and scalable language that can be used for a wide variety of range of applications. One of the key features of Go is its simplicity. The language has a small set of keywords and a minimalistic syntax, making it easy to learn and understand. This simplicity also makes Go code highly readable, which is a major benefit for teams working on large projects. Go is also known for its efficiency. It has a built-in garbage collector, which means that developers don't have to worry about manually managing memory allocation and deallocation. This can lead to more stable and efficient code as well as faster development times. In addition to its simplicity and efficiency, Go is also designed for scalability. It has a strong support for concurrent programming, which allows developers to take advantage of multiple core processors and build applications that can scale to meet the demands of modern workloads. Another key feature of Go is its static typing. This means that variables are assigned a specific type when they are declared, and the type cannot be changed later on. This can help prevent common coding errors and make code more predictable and reliable. Go also has a strong standard library, which includes a wide range of functions and packages that can be used for tasks such as networking, cryptography, and data manipulation. This means that developers don't have to rely on third-party libraries as much, which can lead to more stable and maintainable code. Overall, Go is a powerful and popular programming language that is well suited for a wide range of applications. Its simplicity, efficiency, scalability, and a strong standard library make it a great choice for developers looking to build high-performance, reliable software. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple specifically for iOS and macOS development. It is a modern language that was designed to be easy to read and write, making it a popular choice for mobile app developers. One of the main benefits of Swift is its simplicity. It has a clean syntax and is easy to learn even for those who are new to programming. It also has a large community of developers and a wealth of resources available, making it easy for developers to find help and support when needed. In addition to its simplicity, Swift is also known for its performance. It is a compiled language, meaning that it is converted to machine code before it is executed. This makes it faster and more efficient than interpreted languages such as JavaScript. Swift is also a highly scalable language, meaning it can handle large amount of data and handle high levels of traffic without slowing down. This makes it a great choice for building complex and resource-intensive applications. Overall, Swift is a programming language that is specifically designed for iOS and macOS development. It is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for mobile app developers. If you are interested in mobile app development, learning Swift is definitely worth considering. Guys, comment now in the comment section to get your questions answered. These 5 programming languages are expected to be in high demand in 2023 and beyond. Whether you are just starting out as a programmer or looking to expand your skill set, learning one or more of one of these languages can definitely boost your career prospects. Stay ahead of the curve and start learning these languages today. In the next video, I'm going to teach you 10 things Java developers should learn in 2023, like microservices and Spring Boot. So subscribe this channel now and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when I publish the video. Thank you guys, have fun.